What if I told you some of the richest business owners don't run exciting companies? They own simple businesses that quietly make money day and night.
Most people chase exciting opportunities, but boring businesses often create predictable cash flow because people need them every single day. Let's count down 8 simple businesses that have quietly created wealth for thousands of owners over the years, starting with number 8.
Self-storage businesses earn recurring monthly rent because people are willing to pay to safely store their belongings. Customers move in, many stay for months or even years.
A vending machine can make small profits from every sale, but hundreds of daily purchases can grow into reliable monthly income when placed in the right location.
Laundromats provide an everyday necessity. Clean clothes are always in demand, making this a business with steady customer traffic and
If a parking location serves busy offices, airports, or shopping areas, every parked vehicle becomes another source of recurring income. Each ATM withdrawal may generate only a small fee, but hundreds of transactions every month, consistent passive cash flow. Car wash memberships are powerful because customers subscribe once and continue paying every month while keeping their cars clean. Billboards can generate recurring rental income because businesses continuously pay for visibility in high-traffic locations. Some rental properties are one of the most popular boring businesses because tenants pay rent every month, creating predictable cash flow when managed wisely. Active income depends on your time, but passive income continues working even when you're resting. The goal is to build assets that earn money for you. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It begins with one smart decision, one income-producing asset, and consistent patience.
Remember, small, consistent income beats chasing unrealistic shortcuts. Focus on building assets that serve you for years.
Start by researching one business, create a realistic budget, save your capital, and take your first step toward long-term financial. Which of these businesses surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Clean Money Guide for more simple finance lessons every week.